Good morning, we are ready to work. We have a water leak next to the water meter, so we're getting ready to start digging to expose the pipes and see what's going on. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. We're gonna have to dig around the water meter. As you can see, the water was running around in this sidewalk. We're gonna have to remove the gravel and dig it up to expose the pipes and fix the water leak. As you can see, this PVC pipe was broken because it was making some kind of pressure. That's why we're gonna have to fix it and dig around of it. As you can see, we have gravel on this front yard, so we're gonna have to use this plastic to be able to do the excavation and remove the gravel and not to mix with the soil, to be able to do a clean job. And then for sure we're gonna have roots underground, so it's gonna be a little hard to do the excavation. Okay, I'm using this also to be able to cut the roots underground. We just gotta make sure we're not cutting something else that we don't have to cut. We are making a surgery. Okay, we're looking at these pipes. The water meter and the water line going into the house, they are not lined. That's why it was making pressure, and that could be one of the reasons why the pipe was broken. When you're applying the Teflon tape, you have to make sure it's turned to the right direction, otherwise it's not gonna seal right. Okay, we are using primer on the PVC pipe to be able to do the welding, to use the blue glue, the high pressure blue glue, and this is gonna be very strong, and to make sure it's gonna be holding the high pressure. We have more than 85 pounds of pressure, so we have to make sure it's good. Okay, we have to make sure it's clean. We're using primer to make sure it's gonna hold the high pressure, and then we just glue it and let's go. Okay, connection is ready. I did this kind of connection because the pipes was not lining each other, so I have to go around and be able to do the connection because it's impossible to connect the pipes straight. So this connection is not gonna make any pressure on the pipes, so it's the best way to do it. And we just gotta wait to like around 1 hour or 2 hours to make sure everything is dried up and it's not gonna blow off the water line when we put all the pressure in the pipe system, and then doesn't blow off and doesn't break the pipes again. So we just gotta wait until to do the pressure test, and after 3 hours I'm gonna do the pressure test and then leave it open for 1 full day to make sure there's no water leak. After 24 hours, if there's no leaks, and then I wanna go ahead and cover it up with the shovel.